Like me, do you sometimes feel invisible? Well, that's not always bad. Come on, let's get invisible. Hello, I'm Phil Gower from Phil Gower Bird Photography. Welcome to another video. It snowed in Wiltshire, first time in about 12 months. So I thought I'd come into the garden. We're still on national lockdown, so I can't do a lot else other than go out walking, which I've been doing with some good results, which I'll tell you about later. But essentially, snowing. I've put some food out for the birds, so I thought I'd just sit here for half an hour and just see what we get come in. Show you some of the common British birds that we get in gardens, and you never know, we might get the odd rare one. There have been winter thrushes around, but the berries are all gone off the trees now, so it's unlikely they'll come in today. But yeah, it's a bit of a novelty having snow in Wiltshire. It's a bit of a novelty having snow in England. So let's go and sit down. What I'll do is I'll just show you the setup I've got. It's very basic, just going to come out here and sit down essentially. But let me show you. Okay, so here we go. Here's my setup. You know, very basic. Obviously they're going to know I'm here. But you know, I think they'll be hungry, and I think they'll come in and they'll feed. So as I say, I've got my 600 on a tripod to do a bit of filming if that's possible, and the camera I'm using is this one, the A7R4 with the 200 to 600 on. So I'm just going to hand hold that and see what shots I get. Okay, I'll give you a quick look at the, I'll swivel around and give you a quick look at the setup in terms of the feeding. So there you go. I've got a hydrangea with some food in the centre. Hopefully the birds will come and perch on the outer branches for a while, and I'll be able to take some shots. I've got a table feeder just there, and I've got a little branch I've stuck in the ground with some apples on. So yeah, that might entice a few birds in. Maybe a blackcap. I've seen a blackcap fairly recently. So maybe that one will come in as well. Okay, let's see what we get. So as you probably appreciate, these are garden birds, so I probably don't even need this camera. But as I said, there might be a few rarer birds around, especially with the snow about, and they might venture into the garden and try and take some of the food. So I'm pretty much ready and waiting. I've got flexible spot focus area. I'm at the widest aperture, f6.3, and shutter speed's going to be probably around 800, 1/800th, and that'll give me a ISO of about 1000. So I will drop the shutter speed if I need to, but 1000 ISO I can work with. My topaz denoise, you know, copes with that very well. So let's see what we get. Okay. I think that's about it for now. Been a little bit quiet. We did get a wren, we did get a long-tailed tit come in, which was nice, and a few other tits and robins and garden birds. But it's not great. I think it was the wrong time of day, essentially. Just after lunchtime is kind of not a great time for bird activity anyway. So next video I'm going to be looking at a follow-up to my camera settings for birds in flight photography that I posted last time, and this time I'll be looking at birds in flight technique. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks with you, and obviously be showing you a few more of my birds in flight photos from last year and previous years. Okay, so until then, bye for now. Thanks for watching. As I say, if you'd like to see more videos, then please like and subscribe, hit the alarm bell if you'd like to be notified when I post. But that's it, so bye for now. See ya.